In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a Merry Christmas poster in Pixellab. So let's get started. So first things first, let's set the size of our work. So click on image size. So you come and set your size, but I'm going to use YouTube thumbnail. You can also use it. Alright. So after this, click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner over here. Then select use image from gallery. Then pick up the image that you want to use. I'll leave the link of this image in the description so that you can go ahead and download it. Alright. Now we have our image over here. What we have to do is to enter the text. Alright, so let's first delete this text over here. Click on delete to delete it. Then click on a plus sign to add a text of your own. So in my case, I'm going to add a text like from us at Serene Arts. Okay, let's assume this is what I want to use. I can go ahead and change the font as well. Okay, I'll be on Serene. So you can reduce the size of it if you want. Alright, you can also increase the size if you want. So it all depends on how you want it to be. Okay, so after this, I'll go and stretch the text a bit. And I'll send it to one side. Then I'll enter my next text, so I'll just make a copy of this and click on edit. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year in advance. Then we reduce the size of it and then we bring it back together. Instead of spacing out, we bring it back to normal. Okay. You can give it a star if you want. So we enter another text again. Enjoy your festive season. Then you can go ahead and save this and send it to your loved ones. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bless up.